So lately, how long have you been riding motorcycles?
A lot of time.
2 years?
No, since you were how old? 3.
Since you were 3? Well, how old are you now?
5.
Oh my God. You are a big 5. So you love motorcycles. So you gonna ride a motorcycle when you get older by yourself? So where do you live?
In San Antonio.
Really, girl? You came all the way from San Antonio on a motorcycle? High five. Girl, yes. Well, this is Laylee, y'all. We'll see her later, okay?